So this is the lung. Say this properly. Now you can see very clearly that it has got two lobes, and having two lobes is the identity of left lung. Good. So students are smart nowadays. So this is also a lung, you can see, and you can see there the oblique fissure and the horizontal fissure. So this is the right lung, right? So this is the structure of our lungs. This is upper lobe, middle lobe, and inferior lobe, right? Oblique. So today, prior to our lecture, I am demonstrating you the structure of lungs. So what you can see, as I have already told you, there are two lungs in our body. One is left and another one is right. So what is the basic difference between the right lung and the left lung? You can see
Lobes.
lobes is a different thing, but on a very first sight, what you can make it out, that right lung is heavier or bulky than the
Left
left lung, or left lung is little bit of lower weight than right lung. Why? Because of the area which has been occupied predominantly by the heart, as heart is little bit tilted over the left side of our body, and that's why that this particular area is occupied by the heart, and that's why 50 gram of the weight is less in left as compared to right lung. So right lung weighs about 625 grams, whereas left lung weighs lesser 50 grams than the right lung, approximately 625, right, or 650. So if it is 650, it will
600.
be of 600 grams. Okay. So what I have already told you yesterday while explaining the typical anatomy, this is the apical part, this is the apex, this is the base of the diaphragmatic surface, this is the costal surface, and this is the mediastinal surface or the medial surface, right? And it has got the anterior, this is the anterior border. What I have described you about the borders, the area between the two sharp edges is called borders. At the time of Viva, if you are not remembering, just close your eye, feel the borders, feel the sharp edge, and keep it right anatomically, place it right upwards, the sharp end or the conical end anteriorly and inferiorly, and diaphragmatic end inferiorly, the sharp edge anteriorly. So this will be the anatomical position, and then you will be in a position to place you will be in a position to figure it out where exactly this lung belongs to, right, on the first side, right? So this is the costal surface. Now mediastinal surface is also divided into, that means middle surface is also divided into two parts, the vertebral surface and the medial surface, and this is the diaphragmatic surface, right? As I have already told you, what you will get, this is the oblique fissure, this is the horizontal fissure, right? Horizontal means a plane, typical plane, and you can see that the visceral pleura is strictly adherent to this particular, the parenchyma of the lungs, right? And inferiorly, what you can see, the diaphragmatic surface, right? So now here in mediastinal, yesterday what I have told you, the pulmonary ligament, right? Pulmonary ligament will lie just, it will, ये क्या करेगा उसको? It will cover the hilum. This is the hilum, right? Yesterday what I have told you, hilum is what? Enter it inside the, you come, everybody come to this side. So hilum, what will happen in the hilum? Hilum is what? It is a door which leads you inside the organ, or which will brings you out from the organ, right? So you can see the various structures over here, right? This is the right. So you can feel the eparchial and hyparchial bronchus here. Then this is the right pulmonary artery, and these are the two pulmonary veins, right? And this is the mediastinal structures. Then what is these are some impressions over here. So impressions you cannot make it out directly by looking at this particular structure, right? So from here you can get, if the presence of right atrium and right ventricle lies here, then what are the possible structures which will put an impression over here? Will be right, means the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. But through naked eyes you cannot make it out that what impressions are present here, because only the cardiac impression is very clearly visualized here, right? So predominantly this is what we have to we can study by looking at the structure of lung, right? There are various structures, means here what you will get, superior vena cava and the structures which are going through that superior vena cava, that azygous vein which will be draining into the right atrium. Then arc of aorta is on the right hand side, left side of the lung, right? So many such, means trachea, right, esophageal. So these are the structures which are intact in the middle area or the middle zone of the lung, which I will teach you when I will take the lecture of lungs and when I will draw the figure, right? But basic concept is that here directly, now what are the specific structures here? In this particular zone, this is the lingula, and this is the cardiac notch, right? This is the cardiac notch, this is the lingula. It is formed due to this. This is the area from where heart is not covered by the lungs, and this is called the bare area of the heart, right? From where you can oscillate your cardiac sounds properly, right? So this is again the impression for the left atrium and left ventricle of the heart, from where you can get the arc of aorta and the descending aorta, right? Arc of aorta and the descending aorta, and from here upwards you will get various structures of left common carotid and left subclavian. And similarly the bronchus, this is the principal bronchus, this is pulmonary artery, and these are the two pulmonary veins, right? So and this is the diaphragmatic structure, cardiac structure, and this is the mediastinal structure. Again it has got the costal surface, the apical surface, and the medial surface is divided into mediastinal surface and the, what is the basic difference between the left and the right lung is that at the hilum area you will get only a single bronchus in the left lung most of the time, whereas in the right you will get two bronchuses. So the principal bronchus will get divided into hypartial and epartial, right? So this is all about your anatomical presentation of your lungs presently, the superficial, right? So you just go through it, देखो, पढ़ाई करो, stop it.